Lexi Vee03, and today I'm here with
Jasmine
and
Janaya
from the one and only Vee04 Power.
So our videos are normally science, and slime is basically science. And I love making slime. Lexi actually got us interested in it, and if you want to see some of our slime videos, just click up there.
So Lexi actually taught us how to make slime, and today she's going to be teaching us how to make slime in a different way. So let's get started.
So the first thing that you obviously need to make slime is some glue. And Jasmine is gonna pour it into this bowl.
Make sure you put enough in there.
You want me to do it?
Yeah.
Okay, tell me when to stop.
That's good enough.
The next thing we're gonna do is add color to personalize the slime and make it our own. So, what color do you guys want?
Pink. Definitely pink.
Purple.
Purple? What about pink and purple?
That's a beautiful color.
So the colors we're gonna put in is purple and pink.
Next, we're going to be adding some shaving cream. Can you shake it
I think
somewhere?
you need to shake it.
Oh no.
It smells good.
It does smell good.
It smells like shaving cream.
It smells actually like soap.
I think that's enough.
So now we're going to be mixing in the shaving cream. Ooh. Why aren't you
Sword
mixing
fight.
like me? This does not look like slime. It's
I like this color.
Me too.
I like that color too.
Okay, so she's going to be adding the borax into water.
What that's going to be doing is when we add it to the slime, it's going to start thickening up, and it's going to become to the consistency we want it to become.
And you have to get all of it.
Alright, so our next ingredient is foaming soap, and this helps the slime to be even more fluffy.
Ooh, it's almost the color of the slime.
Ooh, pink!
And it smells good too.
Like pink.
It smells like bubbles. Wait, now it smells like bubble gum.
Now we're going to mix the foaming soap.
Ooh, it's turning bubbly.
Okay, that's good.
Okay.
The next step to make this slime is to add the borax. Wait, I want to do some.
While you're pouring it, I mean mixing it,
That's more-
Jasmine could pour it.
Yeah, a little bit. Yeah, that's good. A little bit more now. Yeah, that's probably good.
It's turning into slime.
She's so bad.
Don't forget to get the sides. I want all that slime.
Nope. We're splitting it into 3.
So once the slime is to consistency like this, I like to use my hands. Even though it's a little dirty. We're gonna need a little more borax, if you know what I mean. Okay, more borax.
Please.
There we go.
I want to get my hands clean.
I'm gonna get mine dirty. yeah, there
come
you go.
on. That's better.
So now we're just gonna keep kneading the slime until it's just how we want it.
So this is what came out of it. We still have to knead it a little bit more, so we're gonna split it into 3 and start kneading it. As you can
You
see,
can actually stretch it.
it's super stretchy. I think it's ready.
Yeah. The color is very beautiful.
Yeah, I love this type of purple. It's very close to pink though.
And when you like, there's also tricks that you could also do with this one. And when you do it, there's lots of bubbles in it. See? Okay. I'm just wasting my breath on this.
So the slime turned out pretty good and it's nice and stretchy. But now we're gonna add some Model Magic clay to make it butter slime. Okay. So we're going to be adding some Model Magic clay into the slime, and this will make it kind of more buttery and less jiggly.
And it's gonna become butter slime, which means it's gonna become really cool.
Okay, put all slime. So here's the Model Magic clay that we're going to put inside the slime.
No, I'm drowning in the slime.
You're drowning?
Drowning.
No, the clay is drowning in the slime.
Drowning?
And then the clay is falling into the I don't have a word for it.
Drowning.
Drowning.
It looks like it's better.
It makes it,
It looks like it's butter slime already.
Yeah.
you have to like mix it till all the white is out. Wait, you want to do it?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh. Yeah. I'm making it into those little thingies.
Cinnamon rolls.
Yeah, like it's gonna look like
Swirl.
a cinnamon roll swirl thingy. Then this is the finished project. This is the finished product of the slime, the butter slime.
See if it's better slime.
Actually,
And now we're gonna be, I think we're going to be adding the foam balls.
I'm gonna be adding it to the foam balls to make it foam.
After, I want to fill it, please. You probably need some more. Salt spreading on the table. Here. It's making a mess. At least
like-
we have a table. Sticking to me.
Lola.
Hello, I have fingers here. This is finally butter slime. Foam slime.
So now the final result of our 3 slimes, we have a flown slime,
A butter slime.
And a normal slime.
so flown, see it? Butter,
Whoa. That's so good.
and
This
Regular.
actually helps you relieve stress.
Thank you for watching our slime video, and thank you Lexi Vee03 for joining us. Don't forget to leave a comment down below on what you liked about the slime and what you want to see us do next. And don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Bye!
bye!
Bye.